Hey, so in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to set somebody up on a portal. So basically what you're going to do every time you get a new buyer, this would be for somebody that's looking to purchase a property, you're going to set them up in a portal that's automatically going to send them over listings that match what they are looking for. So this is going to be the quickest way that they are going to get these listings. Um, there's a little bit of a delay between the MLS and the little trinkle sites like realtor.com, Zillow, all of those. So this is definitely going to be the quickest way for people to see new listings. So what we're going to do is we're going to, if it's a residential sale, obviously we go into here, but you can also do it for leases, multifamily, land, etc. You're most likely going to be either doing sale or land though. So we'll go into here. So let's say, okay. So you're going to keep it. It automatically should be checked as coming soon and active. If it's not, make sure, but it should be. So let's say my people are looking and they want to be in Governor Mifflin. So I always do my searches by school district, unless if somebody specifically is like, I will only move into this neighborhood, this area. Otherwise, I always leave it open to school district because I'd rather them get more than not enough properties. I also relay this to them so that they know that I am listening to what their requests are, but I want them to get as many properties as we can. Because as you can see in Governor Mifflin, if we look down here, there's only 25 houses available. So what I will do next is price points. So these people, they're maxed out at 300, right? So I'm going to do 0 to 300. This is checked, so you do not need to put in all the extra zeros. So then down here, it narrows our search down. My people, they want a detached home. They do not want anything attached. So you can go down here and see that we have 5 now. Now, I'm sure you've noticed, but the more criteria we put in, the smaller and smaller the pool gets. So do not put in any more criteria than what you absolutely have to. When you are talking with a buyer, you should be finding out what they need in a property or they're not going to buy it, not what they want. If we want a fireplace, that's great if we want it, but it takes us down to 1 kind of thing. So you can always add a fireplace later on. You can always, add a bathroom. Like if they're like, we have to have 2 bathrooms, but there's only 1.5, you can always turn that into like a full bath eventually. Same thing with central AC. If it doesn't have AC, there's different things that you can do to accommodate that. So, if I have somebody that says, I want a pool, that is it. If it doesn't have a pool, I'm not going to buy it. Then okay, I am going to put in their pool. But otherwise, don't limit yourself, because what they're going to do is go find a property on a different site. They're going to click talk to an agent. They're going to talk to that agent without knowing that they should be talking with you about it. And you can see where I'm going with that. So, all right, so these people, I'm not going to take them down anymore. We have 5. So we're going to go to results. I want this to start automatically sending over to them so that as soon as something is listed within this criteria, it goes to them immediately. So how do I do that? Over here at the top left, you click on the checks. It checks everything. We are going to go over here to save, new auto email. And then they're most likely not in there already. So we're going to create a new contact. We'll put in their name. Okay, hi Katie. You don't need to put their phone number. You don't need that. Subject, I put, if it's, you can see the different ones that I've used, but I usually just do possible homes. If you want to edit anything it says in the message, feel free to. I usually do not. Now, down here at schedule, make sure you click on ASAP, because if you do daily, the house could be gone. Monthly, that house has been bought, sold, they've already renovated it. Click save, and that's all you do for that.